matter who you are, where you are, what your choices have been, and what karmic timelines and contracts you have journeyed, the light is calling for the reunification of all aspects of life in this realm now. It is calling for the cleansing of all polarities. It is calling for the rising of all sacred heart centers now. All are being summoned home to the greater light now.
Keeping with the understanding that we are all energy and we are actually always being unified, that whatever we put out towards one affects everything else in creation. That which we put towards ourselves affects everything in creation. So knowing that we have an impact by what we say, how we think, and how we act on the quantum field is a responsibility that we are aware of. And knowing that and understanding that there is much turbulence on the planet because of the changeover, understanding that this is a changeover from an experience, a collective experience of contraction, limitation, and restriction, and no one did it to us. We had decided to have an experience. And now we have moved out of that experience. For those of us have said, we are out of jail free, like in Monopoly. That now we understand that we are rewriting the script. And this is not only for our personal sphere of experience, but because the collective is part of our experience. What is out there becomes our experience. You know, we get farm foods from Australia, New Zealand, or China. You know, we are all connected. And understanding everything connects with everything else. So this prayer is, it's a pledge really. And it is about blessing all beings. And this is not just humans, all beings everywhere. And wishing that all beings be happy and free. And we do this by our own, using our own peace center, that we become this peaceful center, that we clear our inner noise, that we drop within by withdrawing our attention awareness from our senses and close the doors like a tortoise, pull everything inward and go within in the space within, which is the still point. There we find a peace center where we feel our harmony and balance. And from there, we are now putting out vibrations of the same. So from there, we go out and bless everything. So I'm gonna be asking you all to close your eyes eventually, and we will just place ourselves in a position. This is all about yogis being, the spine being in alignment is a key because the chakras come into alignment. So you would bring your head, neck, and spine into alignment, place your feet on the floor so you stay grounded. And you can, if you like, create a mudra, index finger, tip of index finger to thumb connects. This is chin mudra, 3 fingers out, and place the back of your hand on your thigh, like so. And now you are in your upright position without straining your neck, and you're bringing your awareness inward, bringing your awareness down into your trunk, become aware of the space within. And as you breathe in, you are breathing into that inner space. As you exhale, have an open mouth, ha, just to let go the prior conversation. And then close your mouth again, breathe in, through the nose only, and breathe out. Try not to lift your chin, otherwise it'll strain your neck. And now, as you breathe in, keep your mouth closed and let the air exit the nose. Now drop your awareness into your inner body and become aware of the space there. Keep breathing with your mouth closed and nose only. And now, as you breathe in, become aware of your peace center. Now, envision yourself as a pebble, and your intention is to be a peace pebble. And you're going to be that peace pebble that will be thrown into the quantum lake of humanity. You are that peace pebble. You are holding the intention for peace, love, harmony, balance. And as you stay here, imagine that you are the pebble that is fallen into a lake and you're sending out concentric circles of peace all around you. And the concentric circles keep widening and widening. They go past your home, your neighborhood, your township, your state, your country, to the whole planet and beyond. So you are the peace pebble. And you have an intention. May all beings everywhere be happy and free. And may all my thoughts, words, and actions contribute to this happiness and liberation. Happiness and liberation for all beings. Now I'm going to chant. You may repeat or not, it's your choice. I will repeat, chant it slowly, and I will have three Shanti mantras at the end. Again, you chant with me or not. Take a deep breath in, open mouth, and now here we go. Loka samasta sukhino bhavatu. Loka samasta sukhino bhavantu. Loka samasta sukhino bhavantu. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Hari Om. Sit with this for a moment. Again, envision the concentric circles of well wishes going out from your peace center to all beings everywhere. May every being everywhere be happy and free. And bring the palms together, rub the palms, place the palms over your closed eyelids. Stay there a moment. Let your eyes open in the darkness. Run the hands over your face, over your arms. Run the palms over your face and arms and your legs. Let your eyes softly open. Sit here for a moment. Let your eyes open. Soft gaze, aware of your own peaceful state of being. This is what we emanate towards all of mankind, towards all of creation. And we have pledged thus far, may every being everywhere be happy and free. And so it is.
So it is. And so it is. Thank you. Thank you, one and all of you. Thank you, Vanita, for that amazing prayer, chant, and experience, really.